So we picked up a 2002 Honda Rancher ES. Doesn't have no battery in it. All the parts were off of it when I picked it up. And another thing is, I don't like recording when I go pick up people's stuff because I just try to be polite as possible. I don't know if people want to be recording, and I kind of don't want to ask them if I can record. But we have the jump pack hooked up to it. We'll cut it on and see if we get anything. I can't see nothing. See if we can spray something on there and get it to come back. See if we can see anything now. Oh, jump back off. Kind of see it. Let's say 1238 odometer. It says 1,238 miles. It won't show the hours. See if it'll spin over. Yeah, sounds healthy. I already got this pulled off. Try to spray some ether in there. See if it'll bust off. Alright, so I didn't have any starter fluid, there's some gas in here. Let's see if we can try to get it in there somehow. Let's see what it does. That's definitely a good sign. Now the throttle is seized, but as you can see right there, the cable moves. Cable moves, but the throttle don't. So the flap in there is stuck. So let's pull all this off. Got the air box out. Now we need to somehow, let's get this fuel line pulled off. Oh, that look like straight water coming out of the fuel tank. Let's see if we can cut it on, see if anything comes out. Oh, it got a drop. There we go, got some flow. Everything's just water though. Yeah, that's just water, straight water. Maybe it got in from here, or maybe they left the cap off. Yeah, we're going to pull all this off though, so we can get that gas tank off and get it cleaned out with no water. so this is seized. Alright, now we're having issues getting that choke cable out. I think it may be seized in there. I would imagine if the stuck in there. Oh, that's not good. Trying to get some WD-40 down in that hole. Yeah, choke cable seized up here too. Won't move at all. There it went. It's not good. Okay, so the choke's stuck down in there still. Okay, don't seem like we broke anything. We just widened the hole out on here. So we just squeeze that back together if we could get that out. I'm gonna clean this carburetor. I'll catch you guys back when I get it clean and throwing it back on. It's seized. The flap won't open. I'm gonna pull this ball off. Looks like somebody's already been in there a couple times. The screws are stripped. So they're turned into flatheads. Looks like somebody's already been in here. Oh, that's lovely. That is lovely. Now that's what water does with fuel when it sits and seized. I believe there's another jet in there. Could be mistaken. Or in here. There's a jet. There's a jet there, there, and there. And your airflow here. Yeah, well, this one needs a good cleaning. We may get a rebuild kit for it. Alright, we spray some WD-40 in that needle for the choke. We're gonna see if we can't get it. It was taking it on a minute ago, but now it's not going down anymore, so I think it's probably gonna stop taking it. But it was draining into the seat here. Hopefully we'll let it sit for about an hour or two and see if we can't get it to come out. Alright, so we got it all cleaned up. I started putting it back on. Just we could wind up getting that choke cable freed up, and then we had issues with the filler neck here. It took me a while to get it cleaned out through there because it wouldn't let no gas through. But now we're just installing it. Got the gas can off. It's got a lot of spider eggs and spiders. We got switches around here, but we don't let it go to nothing. This one may have been for the fan. So I can see here, these been cut. We need to run these back to the fan. Let's cut the fuel on. Got fuel filling up. We got this fan wired up. I'm gonna see if it'll even work. Seems to be working pretty good. When you hook these fans up, you gotta make sure it's blowing back on the motor and pulling through the oil cooler instead of pushing forward. It's just a box that cuts off, but it does work. So we got our battery installed. Let's see if it'll crank. I'm gonna adjust the idle after cleaning the carburetor. Seems like it's running pretty good. Now it's time to clean it up and go ride it. Alright, so we're finished up with it. Got the fan wired up. We didn't fix the headlights or anything. You can still barely see the dash. Need to clean it a little bit better. Just fire it up there. Like half a spin. Needs brakes. Don't have no brakes whatsoever. Like none. The electric should. Let me idle down a little bit. Brakes squeal. I'm sure it's probably just from sitting. Nothing. Well, other than that, this runs pretty good. We also just purchased a 2016 Foreman Rubicon with the high and low and auto on it. It'll be in the next video. I believe it needs a top end. It smokes. We're going to slap some OEM rings in it, home the cylinder, and a head gasket kit. Other than that, I believe this one's done. It makes money a good pull with a little TLC. It needs headlights. The dash needs to be clean. And the exhaust needs to be fixed. And brakes. So, I mean, a good bit of work, but motor and trans is solid. It don't smoke whatsoever. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more videos like this. Peace.